I've learned to shoot what you love. Pero na-realize ko, before you know what to shoot, you should know what's important to you, what's valuable. So sa photography, I've learned to be more introspective and reflective, as if I wasn't enough to it. My friends can attest to that. Pero yun, dun sa photography, mas nagkaroon ako ng motivation to really know what makes me happy. Because siguro it's a weakness of mine as a photographer. I really can't shoot if I'm not happy with what I'm shooting. Tagang palpaking lalabas. So, that's a challenge, pero realize ko na important din yun, na you love what you're doing. You live with life. And of course, yeah, Boracay. I love being on the beach, being outdoors, landscapes. I love learning about, when I travel, learning about yung culture na ibang tao. So, parang since I started with photography, yung mga subjects, hindi na lang subjects for me. They're objects or things or places na I want to genuinely learn more about. Parang try to build a relationship with my subjects. So, yun, parang hindi yung shopping muna ako pinagbabasa. Parang it was about locals worshiping locals in a relationship with their God. Parang gusto ko talagang tuntunan yung mga Of course, Manila, Philippines. So, yeah, something I really love. And when I shoot around the country, I try to present it in a different light to help a bit with tourism. And yeah, anyway, yeah, shot of Pamilya. So again, culture and Philippine culture and Philippine tourism. And lastly, the most important thing I've learned about photography is to focus on what's important. Kumbaga, sa photography, parang mas nagka-anchor ako as a person. I am not easily swayed by expectations of people or concerns na ibang tao. I've learned to focus on what's really valuable, what's really important in life. When I priorities ko what I want to prioritize. And, di ba, kunyari, when you're shooting, what you do is, you put the camera, put your eye to the viewfinder, and you focus on your subject. And that subject, when you choose that, it's because it's important. It's because when you see it, nothing else really matters. Kahit na nasa background, kahit ibang tao, may subjects. That's the most important thing. And the same with life, hindi natutunan ko na to know what's important to you and to value what's important to you. And then, syempre, after you focus, you click, you press the shutter, you commit to the shot. And so, for the past several minutes, I've been talking about the past 4 years of my life. Shots. Maybe talk about your left. Talking about this almost like okay guys, no further exhibition, okay na.